Now, CBS 4 weather.
I'm Meteorologist Dave Warren in for Craig tonight. A little bit of rain around this morning. In fact, some areas had some downpours and heavier rain amounts here. These are our neighborhood network sites in Coral Springs, just over 2¼ inches of rain. Miami Beach, the police department there had just under 2 inches, and there were some other amounts over an inch. In Parkland, 1.16. The zoo and Marlins Park had just under an inch, and Indian River Middle School in Davie had just over a ½ inch. But things are pretty quiet right now. May add to it just a little bit with these showers that are still developing off the coast and moving with the breeze. But you see, for the most part, there was the heaviest rain around this morning. We're still getting a few spotty showers that could push through the area, and they remain off the coast. So we're not completely dry tonight, but much of the area is staying dry, warm and humid. Might get a passing shower here this evening. Rain amounts with the official sites. There they are, 1.53 in Oakland Park at the airport in Miami, just under a ½ inch of rain. Even with that rain, still climbed above 80 degrees. We should be able to get there again tomorrow. And again on Saturday, but then we get a little cooler as a front comes through, cooling off into the mid to upper 70s here. Tonight should be into the mid 70s here overnight tonight. Temperatures across the area still 80 in Marathon. That breeze is out of the east, but it'll turn to the southeast and eventually go west. And that's when we start to see the cooler and slightly drier air coming into the area by the end of the weekend. There's a front which is stalled to the north, and that's the focus of all this heavy rain. With the satellite and radar, the future weather computer shows that we'll see a few passing showers again overnight tonight. But as the wind goes more southeast, they kind of line up along the east coast and stay there for much of the afternoon tomorrow. So they're not working their way through the area. The wind's turning southeast and eventually southwest as this area of low pressure, which is redeveloping off the coast, gets organized and lifts to the north. Now that'll bring slightly cooler air in this weekend, but much drier air. That'll be Saturday night to Sunday. You'll see a little more sunshine in the forecast Sunday and Monday with temperatures slightly cooler. Less humid though, so we have pleasant sunshine once this front comes through Saturday evening. Temperatures will be dropping a bit. The average low is now 64. It's not a big cold front where we see temperatures drop into the 50s and 40s, but it goes from 85 down to the mid 60s there by Sunday morning. 84 tomorrow, a mix of sun and showers, very warm with that southeast wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. We'll be clearing here by the end of the weekend. Still a bit windy on the water, 4 to 6 foot seas, south to southeast wind at 5 to 10 knots. Extended forecast, there it goes, 80 to Sunday and Monday, lows dropping into the 60s. Speaking of next week, I want to remind you about our Holiday Homes Tour with Craig Setzer. He starts Monday. He goes to a house all decorated for the season, and he does live weather and shows you what the house has done for this holiday season. Make sure you tune in starting Monday.